represents the maybe worst parts and best parts of being a I guess maybe the donut's kind of a destructive Ouroboros. How do you say that word? Ouroboros. The snake eating its tail. Ouroboros.
I think that's right. I know what you're talking about. I think I say it too.
The Ouroboros of self, because it's kind of a cycle of destructive self-involvement, a loop. You just loop around like a donut. Whenever I think of donut, I guess I just assume a round donut. It means that I'm totally self-obsessed and I can't connect with the rest of the world, and I just get caught in a loop of my donut self. I never really connected with the comfort element of a donut. It's just, I think it's probably there in the subtext somehow. I'm sure it's there. Probably not total. What's the word? Chance that I chose a donut. But, I mean, initially a donut just represented a kind of absurd object. I'm a donut in a sea of selves. I guess, but I don't think that's the complete donut story. I guess it's just supposed to represent the isolation I feel from the outside world.
Mm-hmm.
I don't fit in because I'm a goddamn donut. And everybody else is human. Everybody else is human.